At 4:47 every morning, Elena cleaned the hospital corridors. Beneath her uniform, she carried a dream. One day, she would become a nurse. After her shift, she studied at the kitchen table while her son Matteo slept nearby. The nursing exam was 6 days away.
You'll pass, Mom.
I hope so. Sometimes hope is simply continuing before certainty arrives. On exam morning, Elena stood outside the testing center, holding years of sacrifice in 2 trembling hands.
Stop writing and put your pencils down.
3 weeks later, the result arrived. She had scored 71. The passing mark was 72.
1 point.
Is it over?
Not yet.
Then neither are you.
Nurse?
I'm a cleaner, sir.
Then you are already caring for people.
That night, Elena packed her books into a box. Giving up felt easier than beginning again.
Why are you quitting?
Because I failed.
1 point isn't a wall, Elena. It's a measurement.
So she made a smaller promise. 5 flashcards before breakfast, 10 minutes on the bus, and 1 practice test every Sunday.
Matteo asked questions over cereal. Rosa shared old papers. Co-workers covered her breaks. No one carried her dream, but they helped her carry the weight.
Some days she failed entire practice tests. She cried, rested, and opened the book again.
Months later, she returned to the testing center. Fear came too, but this time, it walked beside preparation.
Ready? Not completely.
Ready enough.
She stepped inside.
This time, she did not chase perfection. She answered 1 question, then the next, then 1 more. Accepted.
The word on the screen was small. The journey behind it was enormous.
4 years later, Elena wore blue scrubs in the same hallway. A young cleaner dropped an exam book.
What if I fail?
Then we take 1 more step.
Success is rarely one giant leap. It is 1,000 small choices made when nobody is clapping. Keep going. Your next step may be carrying you toward the life you imagined.